दोस्तों, world's highest sold car, Toyota Corolla Altis, which is here today, a budget-friendly deal, 2011 model year, great condition. Welcome to Get a Car. Get a Car is a platform where you avail all quality used cars offered from direct seller. So we have a store located in Akshay Nagar, park and sale store, where you get all range of cars. We have a Bolero 2017 model diesel up for sale. We have a 2022 model diesel Venue for sale. We have a BMW for just 9.5 lakhs. It's a migrated car, but we can give complete assistance on the number change. We have a Duster petrol, which is going for a beautiful offer just for 6 lakhs. A petrol automatic CVT transmission. We have a Ford Figo diesel, damdar mileage hai. 20 to 22 km per liter. You won't get it. Low budget. Avail this opportunity. We have another car which is a Maruti Celerio, a 2020 model, just 35,000 km run. This is ZXi AMT auto transmission. So ladies, this is the deal for you. What I'm going to show you today is another deal. 2 owners, petrol car, complete detail video. If you have time, I'm going to show you now. It's attractive deal, condition. Let me give you a glimpse from inside and out. Love this deal. Petrol head lovers, this is a beautiful deal ahead of you. Corolla Altis. So I'm checking a Toyota Corolla Altis. Dosto, this is a 14 years old vehicle. Yes, this is world's highest sold car, Toyota Corolla Altis, and this time this is a 2011 model car and well maintained. Shortlisting direct seller used cars offered at Get a Car platform. So this is a masterpiece. Check out the number, also good. All new tires recently installed. Refurbished in our own workshop. New suspension, recently serviced. This is Corolla Altis for you, dosto. 2011, this is with second ownership status. So my name is Litin and I'm your used car consultant based out in Bangalore, offering you quality used cars, completely tested, recorded service history. This car comes with 5-speed manual gearbox, climate control, air conditioning system, dual SRS airbags, ABS braking system. Car has clocked 1,41,000 km. Genuinely maintained on all periodical service maintained and completed. Corolla Altis is considered a solid and reliable choice, particular for family due to its reputation and dependability. हाँ दोस्तों, absolutely accident free, 1.8 liter 4-cylinder petrol car, petrol engine. Battery is also 2 years old, but it has 72 months warranty. Stock aprons hai, you know. Nice. Come test drive, avail this opportunity. So this is a premium sedan. Lot of space, easily you can keep 3 suitcases. और 55 liters इसका fuel tank capacity है. This is the spare wheel condition. Come with 3 variants, G, GL and VL. Trim will have fabric seats in this car. Additional seat covers added. You got a driver seat height adjustment here, which is a noticeable feature. Nice interior, nice space. दोस्तों, I have worked in Toyota dealership. Based on my experience, I have seen cars with high miles, even 500,000 kilometer miles. You have seen car. This car is just 1,41,000 run. Retractable mirrors, telescopic and tiltable steering wheel, which is giving a convenience for the driver. Every used car will have some plus and minus. This is a 6CD changer which comes with inbuilt, but these days people are upgrading to a touchscreen infotainment system. So all options are there. We can facilitate you. Your opinion, what do you say about this used car? Asking price is 3,75,000 from the owner. Recently customer has spent almost 40 to 50,000 rupees on the car, and next year FC can be renewed. We can give complete assistance. Good condition car, fair market price. Interested buyers can connect us at Get a Car platform. So with this, signing out YouTube channel. If you like our used car content, follow and subscribe our channel. And signing out, dosto. See you in the next video. Bye bye.